Data modeling is an essential part of every successful data analysis. Welcome back to Excel Island, where we are trying to learn and master Microsoft Power BI over the next 100 days. Today is day 31, and we're actually on a course called Data Modeling in Power BI, where the objective is to learn and understand how to build Snowflake and Star Schema data models. So without further ado, let's get back to learning Power BI and upskilling ourselves. Welcome back to day 31.
Welcome back. Let's continue building on your knowledge from earlier. In this video, we'll take a look at Snowflake schemas, an extension of the star schema. Remember from earlier that a star schema consists of one or more fact tables surrounded by dimension tables. The Snowflake schema is like a star schema, except it allows relationships between dimensions. In the example, you can see that the lender and property dimensions each link to other dimension tables. Note that fact tables remain the same. The biggest difference between the two styles is how they handle hierarchical data. Star dimensions tend to have all levels of a hierarchy in the same table, whereas with Snowflake dimensions, hierarchy levels are explicitly broken out into multiple tables. Here you can see a product dimension table. Imagine that each product has a name. Each product also belongs to a product subcategory, which itself belongs to a product category. In a star schema, all levels of the hierarchy, as well as their attributes, show up on the same product dimension. With a Snowflake schema, each level of the hierarchy becomes its own table, and we join those tables, usually with keys. When it comes to dimensional modeling theory, we strongly prefer star schemas over Snowflake schemas. The key reason is that star schemas are easier for business users to understand. They don't want to worry about the keys or hierarchy.